Is this thing on? Oh, it's on. Hiya guys. Hiya guys. Hiya guys. Welcome to the Adobi Beauty Channel. Let's get into it. Oh my god, I am so excited. My name is Adobi. I am a bridal makeup artist, wig maker, and beauty educator. Am I? I share tips and tutorials that help makeup artists book more clients and become more confident in their artistry. I love it! If you're interested in elevating your makeup artistry, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Yep, click that subscribe button. Welcome everyone. There are a lot. Leave a comment below telling me what topics of makeup artistry you would like me to discuss next. Let's have a conversation. I'm going to be helping you block out all that marketing noise. I'll see you in my next video. Just want it to be perfect. I'll see you soon. Thank you guys for joining me. See you next time.